Hey friend, welcome back to Doing the with Tyranzia. So listen, we're gonna jump right into it because y'all know how I am about time. Y'all know I'm a Canva girl, but I'm also a silhouette studio girl. Like silhouette studio was my first love. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this design in Silhouette Studio. Yeah, because listen, I think I'm pretty good in Canva, but your girl really sometimes I be struggling. So I have to go back to my first love. Yeah. So the lady want a Cookie Monster face. So find Cookie Monster face. I'm gonna do images. Find the face that she want. She sent me a picture of it. Let me see. Let me find the one that I want. I can use this one. No, that's a video. Let me see. But that's the one she wants. We can use this one, I guess. Yeah, we can use this one. And I'm just gonna copy it, come in silhouette, paste it, and make it big. There. I like to be able to see what I'm. Okay, I'm not gonna use this one because you see right there, it's gonna trace that, and I don't want that. We're gonna go back to Google. We're gonna find another one. No, that one has a white border around it, so we don't want to use that one. We want to use one that we can trace easy. Go back up. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna do copy. Go back to silhouette. Then we're gonna do paste. But like I told you, I'll make it big so I can see what I'm doing. I might not need it that big, but I want to be. I feel very comfortable in Canva, very very comfortable, but I can do a whole lot of more stuff in silhouette. Okay, so I'm just gonna do trace, and let me show you how I'm gonna break this down. Get this out my way, right? It look a mess right here, y'all. It look a mess. So I'm gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna show you why in a minute, and I'm gonna turn this completely black. Right, okay. Now I'm gonna get this one out the way. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna out the way. Then I'm gonna release compound. I'm trying to break it up. You see right here? Take this, and she want like a peachy pink. So that's what I'm typing in, peachy pink, because she sent me a picture of her daughter's tutu. Right there. That's pretty much. I want to say this is more of the color right here. So we're gonna use this one. We're just gonna do it again. Copy. Go into silhouette, and then I'm gonna take. First of all, I'm gonna take these and make them a little bit smaller so I can have room to work. And put them up here. So I'm gonna take this out because that's what I want to be pink. Then I'm gonna do paste. Then I'm simply gonna take this, put it over it. I'm gonna select both of them. You see this square and this square? That means I got both of them, right? And when I do it, I'm gonna go right here to crop, and it gives me that. So I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna line it up, and then I'm just gonna simply make sure I don't see no white. Right click it, and I'm gonna put send it to the back. Okay, now I'll move this out the way in the eyes. I mean, not the eyes. Take this, make it white. I'm gonna group it so when I move it, it moves in one single. I'm gonna delete all this because I don't need it. Then I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna I'll move it over so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna line it up. Line it up real good. I don't really see no gray. And then I'm gonna right click it again, and I'm gonna send it to the back. And there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, friend. Hey, make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, comment. I talk back, baby. So there it is. And I may show y'all when I actually order it to make it a DTF. Look at it, so cute. All right, bye, friend.